Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Welcome po sa Parish and National Shrine of St. Padre Pio. Ilang araw pa lang ang nakalilipas nang ipagdiwang natin ang Pasko, ang kapanganakan ng ating Panginoong Hesus. At ngayon, nasa ikalimang araw na tayo ng Enero at nasa loob pa rin ng Kapaskuhan. Kaya napakagandang tanungin natin ang ating mga sarili. Do we still feel the joy of knowing Jesus? Do we still feel the joy of knowing Jesus? Masaya ba tayo na nakilala natin si Jesus? Masaya ba tayo na natagpuan natin siya sa ating buhay? As we know Jesus and recognize His presence in our life, we also ask ourselves, do we follow Him? Because knowing Him is not enough. We have to follow Him. Napakaraming nagsasabi na kilala nila ang ating Panginoon, pero salungat naman dito ang kanilang pamumuhay. Napakahalaga mga minamahal kong mga kapatid na kung nakilala natin si Jesus, kung nagkaroon tayo ng encounter with the Lord, nakikita ito sa ating buhay, nagre-reflect ito sa ating pang-araw-araw na buhay. Jesus is inviting us as He invited Philip, "Come, follow me." He is calling us to follow Him and learn from Him in a lifelong journey of faith to be His disciples. And that encounter and journey with Jesus will lead us to bring others to Him. Dahil kung kilala talaga natin si Jesus, tayo ay magiging instrumento ng Diyos para ilapit ang mga tao sa Kanya. At hindi tayo ang magiging dahilan ng paglayo, ng pag-alis o panlalamig ng ating kapwa sa simbahan at sa ating pananampalataya. When Philip followed Jesus, the first thing he did was find Nathanael and told him what happened. He said, "We have found him of whom Moses in the law and also the prophets wrote." Philip told Nathanael that he found the Messiah. He shared the joy and truth of knowing Jesus. My dear brothers and sisters, as we continue to reflect on this gospel passage, may our love for Jesus influence and inspire others to be closer to Him, to know, to follow, and to love Him. Let us all be followers and disciples of Jesus. Amen.